Have you ever wondered how real traffic lights work? Today we'll build one, right here, using Arduino. Gather your materials, LEDs, resistors, and Arduino Uno. Now we will build our traffic light circuit. The breadboard is a reusable platform used to build and test electronic circuits without soldering. The Arduino board acts as the brain, controlling when each light turns on or off according to a programmed timing sequence. The LEDs represent the traffic signals, and finally 220 ohm resistors used to limit the current flowing through the LEDs, preventing them from burning out. Now we will build our traffic light circuit and program it. You can try it yourself online. Click the link in the description below to open my live simulation. Just press the green Start Simulation button to watch the lights change, red, yellow, and green, just like a real traffic signal. You should see the LEDs turning on and off as shown. Code explanation. The positive long leg, anode, of each LED is connected to an Arduino pin. The red led to pin 2, the yellow to pin 3, and the green to pin 4. All short legs, cathodes, are connected together to ground, GND pin of Arduino. In the setup function, we set each LED pin as an output. We see them turning on/off so that Arduino can control them. In the loop function, the red LED turns on for 3 seconds, then the yellow LED turns on for 1 second, then the green LED turns on for 3 seconds, and the loop repeats indefinitely. In the simulation link, try changing the ON intervals of each LED and modifying the pin assignments. Share your results with us. If you liked this video, subscribe and tell us what you want to build next. Comment below.